Hi, Marty. Okay, so I see you have the December 6th, then you have the site folder. This is going to be the one you're talking about here, right? Well, that's the one we don't want. But the problem is a lot of your pages are linked to it. So here's what I did. I downloaded a copy of your site from the sandbox, okay? And I've gone through your pages and I've actually updated all the broken links because everything in here, there's a lot. Here's the thing. Some of the pages were linked to the December 6th site folder, and some of them were linked to the site folder. So I had to go through and just did a find and replace on the pages. So let's just take a look here at the business and make sure that I just want to make sure it shows up as expected. There we go. Menu top. Okay. So far so good. I think there. Okay, yes, it seems to be working. The only difference was in your page, probably because it was on the server, it had the wrong slashes in here. Anyways, I'm going to update this and send it over to you. Basically, I want to know what to get rid of. It's going to be dangerous to have two site folders. So I've tried to update everything so that, well, you don't have two site folders. And probably your flash root location had a double slash slash because it was linked into here. All right, where now that it's been updated. So I'll just have to go through the pages here and yeah, that one's fine there. Yeah. That one's fine as well. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's the first question. Yes, I'm going to get rid of this December 6th right here altogether. Okay. Actually, what I'm going to do is police. Oh, township. That's nice. Nice job. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to mess things up. I can correct the links, but I want to make sure that there's no images or anything in here that you're still using. Don't see any. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to get rid of it. I've got a copy of your site. I can. Right. I'm going to send this over as a copy for you. I'm not going to send you. Okay, let's get rid of this. There we go. I'm going to send you the, I'm not going to put it back up to the server. I'm just going to send you a copy. You can download it as a zip file, open it as a brand new site in Dreamweaver, just have a look through, make sure everything's okay. All right, so that's that because I've gone through all your pages pretty much and updated the links to get rid of that folder there for you. Right, now I've gone through your pages and I'm trying to look at the logo and it's the same on all pages. It's the same size on all pages and you got a couple of broken links here, so I don't know if history of spring here, so that's a bit of an issue too, right? Like here's what I see. History, if you look down here at the lower corner, the history link goes to the history page, but in your site you've got a history of spring.html. So I'm just going to see if that's been updated in the menu. Unless you have a lot, oh you do too, you got a whole bunch of different ones here. So there's the menu top, there's the history there. And it links to history.htm. I'm thinking you probably want it to link to history of spring.html. So I'm just going to change that for you right here because it's broken anyways. Okay, we'll update. There, now it goes to this page here. Town of Spring, resident visits. Now you have different menus over here. Okay. Oh, got so many broken links here. Okay, Marty, so yeah, I've noticed you got quite a few broken links here because I try and click on different ones and they don't go anywhere. So instead of me going through and fixing them, because I don't really know where you want them to go, and that's going to be very time consuming, not really part of what this support package does, is I'm going to show you how to sort that. Go through each of your, open up your menu side business, for example. Click on a link here, and what I want you to do here is just open up the Windows properties right here. Okay, close this down. For example, see Community Awareness. When you click on it here, it's going to tell you communityawareness.htm. If I look over here, I don't see a communityawareness.html page, unless it's in a different folder, and it's not, right? So maybe you're still in the process of updating, but I'm going to suggest that you just go through each of your menu pages and then use the point to file tool and then drag and drop it onto the correct link or the correct page. Just but like I said, I've noticed like we have directory here. Okay, so see the directory? There's no directory page that I can see here. Okay. Anyways, maybe you already knew that, and you were in the midst of updating things. But okay, let's actually go to answering your questions there. There's changed the logo size. Logo size looks consistent in all pages. You let me know what page it's not the same on, and I'll go take a look at that page and see what I can find for you. Okay. Where do you find the scroll bar instructions, and how do I go about changing the location on different pages? Also change the size, color, text. So where do I find the scroll bar instructions? I'm not sure what you mean by scroll bar. Maybe it's the menu on the side here you're thinking about. That's the only thing that resembles a scroll bar to me. But if that's the case, then I just went and showed you. You go into your library, right, and then of course correct me if I'm wrong, but I wasn't sure what you meant by scroll bar. But if it's the sidebar, right, you just open up a page, select the link like so. Right, I'm just going to minimize this here, right? And once you have something selected down here in the properties for Dreamweaver, right? See, you've already got that one linked up correctly because there's the Park Adults right there, and it should have a dot slash in front of it, right? Family events. Oh, see, now we have a problem right here. We don't have a dot slash. What you should do is just take the 2 minutes, go through each menu page, select the menu with your cursor like so, grab this point to file tool. Go over to Park Family right here. See that? Drag it right on top of the page you want it to link to and drop it and you're done. Field rentals. Parkrental.htm. So there's parkrental.htm. Pound field. Well, that's good. We're gonna copy the. You want it to go to a certain place within that field, but the problem is the link is broken, right? So here's what you do. Just get rid of this for now. Use the point to file, go to Park, what was it? Park Rental, okay. Go to Park Rental, drop it on top like so, and then paste the little piece on the end here, right? Same with parks. Parks.html, that's this page here. What you need to do is do the parks.html, and that's going to get all those links sorted out just by using the point to file tool and dragging and dropping it onto the page you want it to link to.